In this video, I'm going to play around with sound effects, something I've wanted to do for a long time, and I'm just going to do it and share it with you. Here we go. Right window here. Let's create an audio. Let's create 5. All right. And let's import. Let's see if I can find if everything got put away the other day like it's supposed to. Okay. Sample libraries. Wait a second. Okay, so it's going to be under splice down here. Okay, sounds, packs, Cartoonland, crowds. See if this is it. Nope. All right, let's just keep on. Forbidden rhythms, human vocals, female gasp. Okay, so we'll drag that one in. All right, so now we'll go down here to this one. So I can just drag in at will here because I'm tired of screwing around. Okay, all right. Let's go up here to human voices, female gasp. I already have that one, right? Okay, so we'll drag this one in. Right here. And what's this one? All right, we'll drag that one in. Okay, we'll drag that one in. Okay, so let's take all of these and let's move them out to where we can see them. Let's really zoom in on them. All right, and let's stagger these. Let's just go here to ticks. All right. Seems like it's all the same person. So I'm going to have to drag one of these. This one right here, I'm going to drag this one out. All right. And drag this one out a little bit. And let's drag this one out a little bit. All right. Time stretch. There, that worked a lot better. Okay, so let's take all of these and let's create a track stack. All right. Summing stack. Okay. And let's, what would I want to do here? First thing I want to do is, I think they're all optimized. Okay, so that's really good. That is really good. So I guess the only thing that we need here is to give it a place to live. All right. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to Space Designer and small spaces, rooms, small wet room. Okay, just a little bit. Just a little bit. You know what I mean? Let's see here. How about some delay? Okay, let's get some delay here. Let's just have a little fun here. All right. Let's crank the feedback way up here. There we go. Maybe not. This will give you a really good appreciation of reverb and what it does. Okay, here's without. Here's with. Just a little bit of a space to live in. I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay? Okay, now it's without. Completely dry. All right, now let's take and do a little panning. A little bit of panning here. Doesn't work at all. Okay. Okay. That's exactly what I that's exactly what I was looking for. Okay? Have a good one.